Confer, compare, and clarify is a TPT strategy designed to allow students to compare their understanding of a topic with their peers. Traditionally, the teacher would pair students up. Students would confer by sharing a one-sentence summary of the most important part of the lesson. Then they would compare notes, and they're encouraged to borrow those notes from their friend. This could be noted using a different color on their page. Finally, the pair would clarify their understanding by recording questions that they still have. Next, the teacher would have duos grouped together into quads and share their questions. At the end of this discussion time, students would record unanswered questions using chalkboard splash, index cards, or scrap paper. The teacher would address questions before moving on. To modify this for pandemic teaching, all students would write their one sentence in their notebook. Duos would share digitally with each partner, and they would add notes in their notebook. Digital sharing can happen a number of ways. It can be done whole class using Jamboard or Google Slides. It can also happen in breakout rooms. And when the discussion is over, students could type their questions into Zoom chat for the teacher to answer before moving on. Here is a Jamboard template. If you'd like to use it, it has these two frames, Confer and Compare. If you click on this link, it will open in a new tab, and you can click on the three dots to make a copy. Additionally, there are some templates here. So this is just a black and white template. As the teacher, you could create a whole slide deck where you pre-select students and you could type out each of their names so they know which slide is theirs. Additionally, you could just assign it on Google Classroom as one slide, and students could share their copy with their partner. And so, each duo would just work on one of these. Slide 5 is really much of the same, except it's color-coded. So if this is an easier visual for students to know that partner A does this, partner B does this, and both of them work together to do the bottom.